lamsoko jotono star career hanyo hai phai pikha kaisa kaham news to boi tam kaham news hingke tini joto IBPS exam ri tongnai rong ni bagai tai exam renai hini wansukui tongnai rong ni bagai kaisa kaham news IBPS RRB ni notification ongkorka 2020 ni hingke tabuk jeng o notification ni details saimana pasing thanglai tam silong korka tam officer scale 1 scale 2 scale 3 the office assistant multipurpose RRB officer scale 1 means Tripura Gramin Bank ni assistant manager tai office assistant multipurpose means Tripura Gramin Bank ni clerk gising tabuk saiman lanyai bufron sing form filling nai bufro painai tai bahai ke form fill up khainai aborok sing details jutno saiman lanyai tai kaiba seat dong aborok jutno details nai exam ngai he tentatively in September situation kam khangke coronavirus ni situation kam khangke September na exam ngai tai October November ke main exam ngai ke next thanglani sing tabo next tam जों जे नांगमोन आबो सिं नायनाय आसक जतो नायना नांगिया मेनके उनतामा त्रिपुरा ग्रामीण बैंक नि बागै आरो तै रिलैक्सेशन जों नायनाय SC ST इनके 5 years रिलैक्सेशन अदर बैकवर्ड क्लास इनके 3 years तै PH फिजिकल डिसेबिलिटी 10 years रिलैक्सेशन तै एक्स सर्विसमैन ब्रंग बागै 8 years educational qualification naji office assistant bagai bachelor degree in any discipline from recognized university or its equivalent any recognized university ni hoite nko bachelor degree manjang nangnai joto graduate janggen payo tai scale 1 bo atanyo degree manjang nangnai recognized university simi tai tam riman naji bobo degree agriculture horticulture forestry joton riman scale 1 among assistant manager bagai je taklai graduation nai student ro borong bagai among ke naji je taklai graduation nai borok 21/07 July 2020 ni sekang borong result rezak nangai ingke borok o exam o apply khaimanai application fee amongka officer scale 1 ni bagai SC ST PWBD borong bagai 175 ingka tai general rok abrong bagai ingka 850 rupees tai office assistant multipurpose ni bagai ingka ombo semno SC ST bagai 175 rupees tai joton bagano 850 bukron chimi form fill up jengnai 01/07/2020 khanan chimi asuk jora last date 21/07/2020 asuk jora rawang bisingo form fill up khainar baidi tabuk sini preliminary exam o tam tongnai tam subject office assistant anadi number 1 reasoning number of question 40 ta tongnai maximum mark 40 no 11 kya second ke numerical ability on number of question 40 ta no maximum mark 40 11 kya exam ni total duration is 45 minute ke total exam is 80 question 80 mark officer scale 1 reasoning on 40 question no maximum mark 40 same number office assistant hanyo composite time of 45 minutes 45 minute number exam prelim kya prelim tikan wai tam sajak kanai jaga no qualifying na nangnai card main exam rana bagai tam ke main exam office assistant naji reasoning number 1 40 ta question maximum mark 50 ni tabung ke second subject computer knowledge 40 question 20 mark total general awareness 40 question 40 mark English language 40 question 40 marks Hindi omato Hindi nangai rong bagai 5 numerical ability 40 question 50 mark total hingga 200 question 200 marks ning time besak total duration main exam ni 2 hours omo bungani office assistant tahu sebenarnya tahu scale 1 bo same no but question simi kisa tabung go jaga omo compare ke omo time 2 hours scale 1 ni bagi ke interview tongnai but multi purpose ni bagi interview kri main exam ti gana mangha final selection tekisha main social distancing mode exam time tahu to corona virus ni jora abon bagi tamsa jaka candidate compulsory marks thup janga nangnai marks kering ke exam maria inge tai gloves thumnai ke thubi mano si inge personal transparent water bottle tui rokangi mano exam time rogo stress di bagai abon bagai aron to tui nang mananya tabok o corona virus doran bagai omoge personal transparent bottle mana botol keseng tlang tha nangnai tui kang ke tinyangan bagai nang tui kang yang ke to tlang nanya di inge personal hand sanitizer 50 ml ni chikon kotoria 50 ml ni abo simple pen related document call letter ni admit card aborok tai original photo id card tai payment mode hingga online payment tau sing seat kai bis tong ngalai sinai tabo ngko date to sai magna date bu pron simple 1 tarik sing starting nai tai 21 tarik go paine form fill up or time to time borok je date mani abon a time on paine admit card situation kam tong hangka download call letter pre exam training ni bagai 12 tariko admit card pre exam training oi call letter paine angge pre exam training 24 August ni simi 29 August angnai training tai exam ni bagai prelim exam bagai call letter paine August besok tarik sajagya kotabo angge prelim exam angge September October jabro panang mano tau date ya khoboro ulo date nai notification okorano the result angge October te sumo so important kira जों तो seat nai kai besek to tirpan singke जों tirpan nai nai tirpan seat kai besek nai nai to office assistant first singke office assistant ni seat kai besek nai nai tirpan mangka ko besek nanti first column SC second ke ST OBC first column SC ni 5ta seat tirprawo office assistant ni tai ST 9ta OBC 0 tai rok 3 rok tongo total 13 ta tong tirprawo seat office assistant kita next thanglai officer scale 1 tirpani sangai nai SC 2 seat ST 1 ST bagi 1 to OBC 3 to general total tongo 3 nor tai exam center enggak Tirupani ke Agartala Simino exam center next one form fill up khai pro tam na abuna le guideline for scanning and upload document document tam upload khai na aborok joton nai before applying online a candidate will be required to have a scanned image scan khanya nangnai photo his or her photograph signature as per specification given below besok size ni nangnai photograph tai signature ni besok size abo joton aro sijak tongo photograph size na 4.5 cm by 3.5 cm photograph must be an recent passport size color nga nangai kam ke bujang nga nangai photo make sure the picture is in color taken against a light color preferably white background ke chanai so important ya bin dimension 200 to 230 pixel size inge omo important size inge a photo ni size nang scan khaimani ulo 20 kb in simi 50 kb ni bisingo angna nangai 50 kb in sakangge tai uploading ya ajagao pomo tai 20 kb ni tolangke bo uploading la okay next signature thamani signature thumb tai handwritten declaration applicant has to sign on white paper with black ink pen jin khata kufuro black pen by bumungsi asuk size ni snamdi 140 by 60 pixel ni size snamdi tai bini size tongnai 10 kb ni simi 20 kb ni bising nangai inke simi upload ngai pomo ensure that size not more than 20 kb ni sakang khangge nya inke file type bus tamo tongnai image ni jpg form tongnai omonke left thumb ni inke white paper on busemno blue ink phanango blue color ni black ngen chakungnai black rede jpg form nangnai photo bini pixel busak dimension 240 by 240 pixel 3 cm into 3 cm wide by height file size 20 kb ni simi 50 kb ambo terdi o size milianke uploading ya formo the applicant has to write the declaration in English only clearly on the white paper with black ink declaration punogrewana declaration borota o jagan result tongo notification or declaration handwriting abo jpg form nangnai dimension ke 800 into 400 pixel size inke 10 cm by 5 cm wide height tormani tai warmani file size inke 50 kb ni simi 100 kb mo nangnai abon se kebang ya tai kom kebang ya signature hand written declaration in capital letter shall not be accepted signature by declaration handwritten declaration abo capital letter onke inyang jotono small letter o se nangai abo something important kray tam nang joton saimam bikina form fill up khainen bagai kenaro declaration phunogro declaration boro sinana angko omo bo pesatong official pdf ni official notification ni pdf file ni 17 page number 4 ajaga tongo he handwritten declaration omono direct sirana nango handwritten declaration o space onke bumung siri dinini name of the candidate sirigang paikha tai omoro oron simi asuk jora handwritten declaration asungno hambai jotono good luck